Unit 5.7, the second derivative test. What is the second derivative test? So you can suppose that f prime of c equals 0. Then the following can be true. If f double prime of c is greater than 0, then f has a relative minimum at x equals c. If f double prime of c is less than 0, then f has a relative maximum at x equals c. So let's look at example A. Find the relative extrema by using the second derivative test. Our first step is going to be to take the derivative of the original function. So 1 over 3x cubed plus 1/2 x squared plus 2x is going to give you x squared plus 3x plus 2. You have to find your critical points because that's what you're working with. So set equals 0. I simplified to make this easier. Your critical points are x equals -2 and -1. And then you can find the second derivative. H double prime of x is going to be equal to 2x plus 3. It's really easy. Just use Powerball. Same for this one. And now you have enough information to plug it into a table. So your points -2 and -1 will give you 0 because those are your critical points. We know that. Now we have to plug in this -2 into our H double prime formula. So -2 times 2 is -4 plus 3 is -1, which is less than 0. So you can refer to this one. If f prime of c is less than 0, then this right here at -2 has a relative maximum at x equals -2. And we also have to do the same thing with -1. Plug it into this formula. 2 times -1 is -2 plus 3. You get a 1. So 1 is actually greater than 0, which means that f double prime of c is greater than 0, then f has a relative minimum at x equals -1.